Hey y'all, welcome back to the channel, Mississippi Girl Life. So y'all, I'm out here in Amazing Grace garden, and you know I've been telling y'all it's been so hot. We had those days of the heat wave. It is still extremely hot. So I want to show y'all what is going on out here. Trying to get these sprinklers hooked up. Look at this right here. Look at it. Trying to get these sprinklers hooked up so we ain't got to come out here and deal with this. I got to move my bean mayhem over here so the sprinkles can get to it. It's a lot. Let me show you what's going on. Right here, y'all, it looks like I need to start harvesting potatoes. I got ground cherries in there. Potatoes. So many ground cherry plants that's just done blossom. Over here is my beans. I see beans that's ready to be harvested. They probably gonna tear these up. I hope not, moving them so they can get watered because they are dying off. So it's gonna be time for me to put more beans in because it's just been so hot. So I'm gonna get what I can after they move them. Look at this fig tree. Big birthday. I'm just showing y'all a glimpse. This is not a garden tour. It's just we trying to get stuff done. Look in here. Everything is just grown all up. Got a lot of tomatoes right here that I gotta get. I gotta harvest a lot of them and see what's not ate through already, because like I said, y'all, this heat has not been good for the garden at all. So right here, my son and Oronde is moving these buckets over. We're gonna put the beans along the side of there, and that way everything can get watered with the sprinklers, and we should have a good go after that. I have to come out here and cut down a lot of stuff went to seed because it's been so hot. Those Swiss chars doing really good. I told you Swiss chars is heat tolerance. They doing good for the amount of heat that they don't want through. When you say for them to be greens, because any other greens would be done with the heat that we've been getting in my area. Oh, the cucumbers that you did, are they done? The seedlings. Oh, they still look fairly good. I'm going to do them because I'm gonna have to put more cucumber plants and stuff down. I see I got cucumbers and stuff right there. I know I got pepper plants and stuff. So they just moving this stuff so you can get the beans over here. All right, y'all, so we're about to move these, but it looks like we just have to pull it. It's either a bean or something is attached to my fig tree right here. So I'm just gonna let them go ahead and pour them as cautiously as they can and get them over here. Wasp or something is following me. All right, y'all, so they moving them, so we just gonna, whatever you can get, just pull them apart easy as possible, I guess, and then just bring them over here, slide them over here. But they was intertwined all in there, and I think they intertwined with each other right there. So I had to spray y'all. Mosquitoes ain't biting nobody but me. So I'm going to move out of their way. Hopefully I'll be able to say, oh. You saw that? Just go ahead. Here. Cut straight down. The unhook them. Just cut straight down. You can't do nothing about it. They done intertwined. They're going to have to come apart so they can be moved, and whatever I can salvage, I salvage. Because y'all wasn't able to come out here and trellis. Our weather this spring is just have not been working for us. Not in our favor. So, yep, so it just, let me go over here and so they ain't out here all day. Look at this.
trying to save as much as I can for you.
What ain't got, ain't got. But I'd rather cut them instead of pulling them because then it'll pull them from the root. So.
Go ahead and pull that one.
All the way to the back.
How many is going over there? All 6?
All the, yeah. So don't pull them, just go down, like in between, just cut them. Cut them apart. So he's pulling this over here. You got it? I hope we through with this heat wave. I literally hope we done with this heat wave. It's been so hot. What?
It was supposed to be, I guess, a little cold front come through, and then they saying another round is on its way.
It's supposed to be on a what?
A little cold front that comes through for, I guess, some storm.
That was gonna bring some storms, and we ain't seen that yet.
And then they say another round is supposed to come through with this heat. So.
They don't know what they doing. Make sure you put it up against that. So we got one down there, and it's 5 to go. Whew. The way you had it was fine. What you doing?
I didn't want to tangle it up.
Okay, well go ahead. However way you got it. Oronde coming through picking it up, like. Cause I know them things is kind of heavy. They heavy, sir?
Not really.
Oh, not really. You condition? Something like that. I need you to hurry up, sir.
Nobody trip over that.
They can be touching each other, cause you got 6 of them. So go ahead. Just when y'all get down there, they can be touching each other because they're going to be all for beans. Hopefully with the sprinkler and the water on them, they'll pick back up. It's some weeds in there too that I got to get out. So with me being allergic to the outdoors, OJ, put it in front.
I was going to put that gap. Okay.
Well, go ahead. If that's easier, I thought you were just going to slide. No, slide that one down. Slide that one down that he bought. And then just put the black one right there. What was that, a spider?
Yeah, gold and black and white one.
Not surprising. I see a lot of ground cherries got to be picked up. You dragging a leaf on the bottom. Here come Oronde. He's picking them up, bringing them like. I know you did. Look at that. Look at that. No, you didn't. So you macho man. Wait. Macho man Randy Savage. Oh, whoo, that's a big old ground cherry. I may take him up and put him in a pot. It's a big one. All right, y'all, so my camera battery had went dead, so I just kept on moving. Just kept on trying to get stuff done because it's in the evening, but definitely gonna have to come out here tomorrow and finish everything. So let me just show y'all what I did. Got the beans over there, got everything cleaned up right here, so everything is looking nice. I still have to clean out and get those spiders because I'm gonna be harvesting and then I'm gonna spray. It's too many spiders and stuff. So I gotta clean out this. You see these spiders? Can't do that. So then I'm gonna be spraying. I'm gonna spray 7. Okay. I haven't sprayed none this season yet, but my natural stuff. And this is what I did to the beans to keep from tearing them up so much. So it'll be fine once they trellis up real good. I used to use twine, but them beans get so heavy on stuff like that and it just fall. Right here is a lot of ground cherries that need to be gotten. We'll get that tomorrow. And then we went on and cleaned up this area. I got the majority of all the stuff off. I see I left these right here on this side. But that's good. Got it cleaned up. It needs to be swept down there. But let me show y'all something. These where I had all my greens and stuff. My fall greens was in here. And it's been so hot they bolted and stuff. But I know this is potatoes growing. So the fall greens out and volunteer potatoes and more ground cherries. I got ground cherries everywhere. So these plants are ground cherry plants. So of course I left them in. I cleaned up my Swiss chards. I told you they are heat tolerant. I do got tomatoes and stuff. I will harvest that stuff tomorrow morning if it's God's will. And got some empty buckets or whatnot. Did not touch that area over there yet. That'll be tomorrow. A lot of cucumbers. Was able to trellis a lot going up. And I got a lot of tomatoes I gotta get. So I haven't even been down this row, but that'll be done tomorrow. All right, y'all, so right here about these two sprinklers. So this is one we tip tied it to an old stool that was for the garden. And so when it comes on, it'll water everything. All we gotta do is turn it on from the hydrant because I have a splitter. And I've been telling y'all for years, if you got a garden, get you a splitter so you can have multiple hoses. Look at this. I'm coming over here. It's more. These are ground cherries. Lord, we're gonna have a lot of ground cherries. A lot of peppers and stuff. I gotta stake a lot of stuff. My corn is over there doing good, but I see all that. My son gonna have to weed eat tomorrow. But here's another sprinkler we have on the stand. All right, so a lot of work to be done tomorrow. Got a lot of okra I see I need to get again. And then I'm gonna be planting some stuff and starting some seeds on stuff. This is another ground cherry that's off in this one along with some of my pepper plants. Okay, my peppers. So let me go ahead and turn this sprinkler on so y'all can see. All right, y'all, so I'm up here on the top deck so I can get. Oh, what is it? Did it go?
It's gone. It went over the house.
Woo, Lord, something. I don't know what the thing was. So I'm up here on the top deck so I can show you, see if you can see the sprinkler. You see it? It's an oscillating sprinkler. And they last long because this year was the first year I had to replace them, and I had been putting them up since 2020, but the last couple years I wasn't losing them, but I still replaced them. So you can see it's going all the way back. Okay, only thing I have to do is come get that far back wall, but that's fine. That's quick and easy. You ain't got to water the whole garden. It's getting the corn. See, all this got to get weed eated tomorrow. All that gonna get weed eated in the morning. Since the heat is a little better, move because it's getting up here on the deck too. So see, it'll even get some of my herbs up here too. See if I can get over here where I can show y'all. Y'all see? There you go. You can see it better. Got that sprinkler going and it's getting all that over there. That one. The other one should be coming back. It's taking forever, but that's fine though. That means it's going slow enough to get everything. Here it comes. Here it comes. Because it's going back and forth like that way and that way. So there you go. And then we'll probably have to get the back, very back, but it don't get that dry because that stuff is under the trees, so it's not like direct sunlight or whatnot. So we'll just have to water the stuff up here on the top, and this helps out a whole lot. It really do. It helps out a whole lot. Okay, backyard garden, Amazing Grace Garden Homestead.
wanna be begging you to stay. Said maybe if you asked me yesterday, I would handle this differently. Things are different, I'm a new me. That's not gonna happen. That's not gonna happen. That's not gonna happen. So even if you're asking, even if you're asking, 'cause I do what I do, and it's time for something new. Yeah, gotta know when to let go. Gotta know when to let go. Gotta know when to let go. Sometimes giving up can make you grow. Can make you grow. Can make you grow. Don't wanna be stuck in a spot, telling you it ain't what I thought. Don't wanna be stuck in a spot, 'cause I don't really like what I got, so I changed it bit by bit. It's not ungrateful, just being helpful for me and you. 'Cause we gotta go our own way, gotta go our own way. Yeah, this was not a good stay, gotta go our own way. 'Cause I do what I do, and it's time for something new. Yeah, gotta know when to let go. Gotta know when to let go. Gotta know when to let go. Sometimes giving up can make you grow. Can make you grow. Can make you grow. Sometimes I don't appreciate the chase. Now there's nothing here for me. Yeah, I gotta go, I'll fly away.
Hey honey buns, I hope y'all have been enjoying the video up to this point. As you see, I have been putting away some chicken. If y'all watched the video where we went to Sam's Club and the chit chat, we found the chicken parts on sale by accident. Okay, I went there just to get 8 of those rotisserie chickens for $4.98 so I can freeze them already cooked. But we saw these, it was some chicken breasts with wings on it, then some regular chicken breasts, then some leg quarters. So I got them all individually wrapped. I have them labeled with the date, the freeze date, the date I put them in the freezer, and that they are cooked. And these makes it for easy, healthy meat ideas for meals or whatnot, just to make it a little bit easier. Okay, and then I just put it in the deep freezer just like that. So I hope y'all enjoyed the video. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe. Hit the notification bell so you get notified each and every time that I upload a video, and I will see y'all in the next one if it's God's will. Love y'all. Mwah. Bye.